namin kainin.
Everything seafood in here. This is pricing for 1 kilo. And you enjoy the seafood. I recommend for you.
You will cook whatever here. Napakamamahal naman. Milyon pala. Milyonan. Putang lalaki, oh. Mukhang mauuwi tayo sa beef. No? Mas mura yung mga beef, eh. Kaya yan, ito pinakamura. 950,000. 890. Putang milyon. 79. Ay, may Seychelles. Per kilo, 350. Ha? Ang lalaki, oh. Yan, milyonan po ang presyo rito. Milyon. This is for 1 kilo. Per kilo. Ang mahal, oh. Ito pinakamahal. Puto. Ay, hindi. Mas mahal to. 3.8. Ha? Siyempre, ayaw natin ito. 850. That's the price. Pwede naman half kilo, di ba? Half kilo. Oh, half kilo. Ha? Ayan, oh. Ito, tiger. This is also...
This is tiger shrimp. This is small size. This is medium size. Pricing for 1 kilo.
This
Medium.
is big
Small.
size. Ay, small.
Yeah.
1.5. So, half kilo. It's okay. Half kilo. O, yan na. Anong beef gusto mo? Yan na lang. Tapos yung iba beef na lang. Eh, dami naman, no? Tikman lang natin to.
This is grill.
We don't like that.
We have the Vietnam style,
Wow.
Malay style, and this is sour and chili.
Vietnam style.
Vietnam style. We don't have not have everything. Not chili, not sauce. Not
Nothing.
sauce. Yes.
Just, okay. O, kalahati.
Just only grill.
Marami yan, eh. Ano pa gusto mo? What's that? 1.7?
So, what
Teka muna.
half kilo?
Pag mga ganun, that's 1 kilo, no? Per kilo. Ito na lang, half kilo. Half kilo. How about this? Squid.
Yes. Photo squid.
How much?
This is for half kilo.
How much per kilo?
Yes. Instead we have mercy.
So that is half kilo also.
This is squid.
Ayun nga. Isa nun, tsaka mga iba pa.
Yes. This we have them for 1 kilo price.
How much? 690.
Yes.
Ano? This tiger prawn. 1 up. No.
Yes.
Tiger prawn only.
Yes.
1 up kilo.
For 1 kilo?
1 half only.
Okay.
Half kilo. And then we will order some more.
Can you see for me 2 kilo you order 1.5 kilo?
No,
1 kilo?
no.
5.
0.5 kilos. Yes. Okay?
Okay.
Vietnamese style.
Yes.
Okay.